Looky, looky what we got in. We're gonna do some unboxing from Checkers. Ooh, Aliso. Tula Pink. Super cute. So this is the small version. Okay, and then we also got in the large version. But you don't have to open that one. It's exact. It's just one's larger than the other.
Okay. We have Prim Quilt.
So from Riley Blake.
We also have Tilly's Christmas Party.
Oh, look at the Tilly's Christmas
Those
Party.
are so cute.
Little Dottons.
And then we have a quilt calendar.
The 2026 quilt calendars.
Super cute.
All right. Thanks for watching.